butane squirted out so fast it gave my finger a little bit of frostbite. I forgot to bring utensils, so we're improvising with knives and cups and fingers and whatever we can do. The not having my fork thing is kind of bugging me. And then I remembered I saw a plastic fork sitting on the ground about a quarter of a mile that way. So I ran and I found it. I'm going to go ahead and boil some water and sanitize this thing. And I am going to have myself a spoon. It should be nice and sanitary now.